For entertainment purposes, yes, we sped this up. Again, Alex definitely isn't this fast, but he did get this done by Friday. And he did it by paying attention to the course, following it to the letter, practicing every station at least 3 times till he had his point-off score down to 0.5 on every aspect of it. Whether you're doing knifeless or you're just doing a gloss-up or you're doing a setup, whatever the lesson is, you try to finish it at least 3 times until you're happy with what you've done. Keep in mind, Alex definitely is a good installer. He taught himself and became a good installer. What he's not is a fast installer, all right? He will get speed with practice. It can't be helped. You will go faster because your repetition. So keep in mind, you can get this done by Friday if you have patience, if you have focus, and you have direction and the want to do it. You have to do it. You have to bring it and do it. Just one more thing. If you're frustrated, that means your patience is getting thin. That means maybe you should take a break, go outside, walk around. If you smoke, have a smoke, whatever, you're home. If you have beer or take any kind of drink at all, sit down and try not to think about what you were doing and get your mind off it. And then when you come back, you're going to be in a different mindset and you will power through it. Try it. It works. If you're not sure what a bulletin is, it's basically some information about the material that 3M actually makes. They make a lot of products and they have a bulletin for every product, but in particular to wrap vinyl or any kind of vinyl at all, they have bulletins on them. Bulletins describe their limitations and what they're capable of, how to use the product, what type of tools to use the product, what kind of heat, the warranty, just everything is in the bulletin. So if you really want to know about what 3M products are, and one in particular, like say 2080, you can go out and download the Cosmos app. Now, the Cosmos app is a great app. It comes in one download package, and when you initialize it and tell it you want to install it, it's going to give you an offering of the regular version or the Pro version. Now, you want to download the Pro version so that you can have access to all the bulletins. So 3M will actually send you a code to get into it after you download it, install it on your device. Okay, you can put it on the iPad, you can put it on your iPhone. Okay, so give it a shot. Go out there to your app store and type in Cosmos app, and it'll come up, and download that and execute it and get it installed. Get your code back, get online and start typing in anything you want to type about 3M. If you type in you want to see videos, you can see videos. You want to type in something like what a certain product is, like Post-its, you can actually look up and see there's a bulletin on Post-its. So again, it's immensely powerful. So you should actually get it right away so you can be more informed about all the 3M products. So when you talk to somebody that's looking to use your services and you tell them what to use, you'll be able to tell them about the material. Like, can I wax it after the car has been wrapped? And you can ask it, can I put ceramic on it? Again, all those answers are going to be there in the bulletin, okay? And you can respond to people, your customers, and give them proper answers instead of made-up ones. That's the best way to be honest with everybody. So saying that, download the app.